Are you feeling naughty? Or as they said back in the 1990s, Randy? Well, today I'm going to show you a dirty banana. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm not going to actually show you my dirty banana, but today I'm going to make the cocktail called the Dirty Banana. It is an old Jamaican cocktail from the 1990s. So it's nearly like one of those 80s cocktails that I said that have got always sexual innuendo in them. I'm going to start making it. So this is a blended drink and it's pretty tasty too. You know, this is what I'd consider normally a really holiday drink and stuff like that. But we've had a few people send emails saying, hey, why don't you do some blended cocktails? So this is one of them. So the first thing that it calls for is obviously some rum. Although it was created in Jamaica, I'm going to use a Puerto Rican rum because I don't have a white Jamaican rum in the bar here. So I'm going to use an ounce or 30 mils of Bacardi, Carta Blanca. Next up, it calls for a little bit of coffee liqueur. I'm going to do about 10 mils of Tia Maria. Then the recipe calls for 20 mils of a banana liqueur, but I want to go a little bit better. I've got the Cargo Colt, which is a spiced rum with banana in it. It is delicious. Or a banana spiced rum. I'm doing 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce. I just think it'll add a little bit of complexity to the cocktail with that spice as well. Then it calls for 60 mils of half and half, which is half cream, half milk. And last but not least, we need 1 full banana. Now, the riper the banana, the better for this cocktail. So if it's even like the skin's black or anything like that, it will taste fantastic. Doesn't matter if even the banana's black. Just gonna break it up so it blends up a little bit. And a scoop of ice. All right, let's blend her up. Okay, word of warning, do not use a $5 Kmart blender, which is what I have here, which is great for my protein shakes in the morning, but to crush up the ice from my Hoshizaki machine, it took forever. As you can see, there's still a few cubes there. All right, as far as garnish goes, I'm just going to add a little bit of chocolate dust to it, but you can add whatever you like to that. It can be, it might even add, it's kind of tiki, so I might add some mint, might add a little bit of a nice sort of aroma of mintiness to the drink. That is the Dirty Banana. Now let's give it a try. It's like drinking a banana milkshake. Cannot tell there's alcohol in there at all. Getting a little bit of obviously the banana is the most dominant flavor in this cocktail. A little bit of the Bacardi. I am getting a bit of the spice from the banana spiced rum. Not picking up much on the Tia Maria there, but really well balanced. You couldn't drink a lot of these, but holy crap, they taste very, very good. So guys, get out, get your banana out, whack it in the blender and make one. It's worth trying. Guys, please like, subscribe. If you like my banana jokes, definitely hit subscribe. We're going for those 2,000 subscribers. If you hate my banana jokes, don't unsubscribe, please. I promise I won't do any more banana jokes. See you again soon, guys.